This is the first true color of NDC. This is the first true color of NDC. Sacking people. Now Ghana Funyina was when you was higher than it was him. Ghana Funyina's when was him.
So
Ghana Funyina ichim true color.
No, but that is not the case.
Hold on. So
hold on.
Oh my, Mr. Wasak and Krofana one second.
My who and Namoye to as former persons in power and with power. Afenyo Markin majority leader, now minority leader. Afenyo Markin now sees everything.
No, you are getting it wrong. No, hold on. You are not being fair. Be fair.
Have you read the directive from the Ministry of Communication directing certain radio stations to close down? Have you read it?
Have
you read it?
We say who? The care there.
You are talking about good governance.
A care the same Sam George or opposition or condemn me.
But that is what I'm talking about. The deceit and the lack of principle.
So you've seen it. So you've seen that they lack principle. They are not consistent.
We lack principle.
No. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Omai, have you seen it?
Is it in promotion of good governance?
Omai, I'm saying that se azenen kansa ene da no ya ndo wa be inye ne ebia mpocho. Omahin mebetena ha ansa na ye bekasan meji bibi tum da anyen amanyofon oya ye yemfundu pi manka.
Correct.
I'm not being hypocritical here. No. I am being fair that oftentimes when we win power there are things that on ye majatu. But I'm saying that se the mazeno okodara obwa amembo ana. Omahin, ask them the relevant questions.
Just like I'm asking you.
Of course. Were they not the people who critiqued some of the actions of MPP? That why could revoke Obini license?
That is so.
Obi wa terminating appointment. So
what were the grounds that you were misbehaving when you had power?
What are they doing? Omahin, for the time being they are in office. Are they not? Omahin Mimbo, Missy, they are in office.
Yeah.
I have conceded, and this should rest your question.
Okay.
I have conceded.
Okay.
The political class.
Let's make progress.
Mistakes be. The time has come. There's the man from Duni Bino. Yebo hu de amembu wadi shawonsa. Na was a shawonsa prekopede ye juma na fobo.